Have you ever walked out to your garden and found your precious seedlings wilted after a cold snap? Or maybe you've tried starting seeds inside, only to watch them struggle? What if I told you your next plant protector is actually hiding in your recycling bin? Today, I'm showing you how to make mini greenhouses from everyday items, saving money, reducing waste, and giving your plants a fighting chance. Welcome back to my little corner of the internet where resourcefulness meets gardening. If you love clever, budget-friendly projects, take a second to like and subscribe. You'll fit right in here. Now let's dive into some trash-to-treasure greenhouse magic. So, what's the big deal about mini greenhouses? They work by trapping heat and moisture, basically creating a little spa day for your plants. Even the smallest cover can stretch your growing season by weeks. No need for fancy gadgets, just a bit of ingenuity and some stuff you already have at home. Let's start simple. The classic plastic bottle greenhouse. Grab a clear 2-liter bottle, peel off the label, and chop off the bottom. Keep the cap handy. This will help you control airflow. Pop it over your seedling, and you're good to go. In the morning, that bottle traps warmth, and at night, it shields against frost. If the sun's blazing, just unscrew the cap so your plant doesn't overheat. Option 2 is my favorite for seed starting. Clear food containers. Think salad boxes or those clamshell pastry trays. Fill it with soil, nestle in your seeds, and snap the lid closed. The condensation inside mimics a humid greenhouse, giving you the perfect environment for sprouting. Set it on a sunny windowsill, and you're set. Free, reusable, and zero waste. Maybe you've got old picture frames or a window gathering dust. Time to get creative. Tape or hinge them together into a box, with the glass or plastic on top. Place it outside over herbs or delicate transplants, and you've got a sturdy, stylish mini greenhouse, perfect for balconies or patios. A few quick tips to keep your plants happy. Always allow a little airflow. Plants need fresh air just like we do. Don't let them bake in the midday sun, and go easy on the watering. The greenhouse will trap humidity, so your soil stays moist much longer. I'll never forget the first time I used an old water jug as a greenhouse. My lettuce popped up in days, and I didn't spend a dime. Honestly, it still amazes me what a little creativity can do for your garden and your wallet. So grab those bottles and boxes and start building your own plant protectors today. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and join our sustainable gardening family. Let's keep growing smarter, simpler, and greener together.